I'll get him off your stuff. There you go, pup. There you go.
Release the hands down. On the yoga mat.
He's off now.
Left foot steps back, moving into a lunge. We're going to move up into crescent lunge now. Third trimester, you might want to keep your back knee down on the ground for this. And inhale, bring both arms out. Deep breath. Hold it here. Breathe. Shoulders are down, upper body's lifting. Lower body's pressing down. And release down. Drop the back knee. And bring the right leg back up. Hands are directly under the shoulders. Drop the
Very good.
elbows against the body. Chin coming forward and front fingers. Straighten the arms. Thumbs together.
You're a good yogi.
Right foot steps forward again. Throw the back toes under. Lift the back of the upper that's available to you. And reach both
Ready?
arms up across
Here we
the
go.
body. Breathe. One more breath.
One more breath.
One more breath.
Release down.
One more
Right
breath.
leg comes back in. Hands underneath the shoulder.
It is the yoga mat.
Yep.
And Daddy do it here. And Daddy and him. And Dad and him. I can move.
I'll wait till next time.
Drop the knee down.
You keep working with Mama.
Come back to the center. We're going to move
There you go. Keep going with her.